Today, we find ourselves in a world where the traditional 9-to-5 job doesn't necessarily guarantee financial stability, let alone financial freedom. This has led many to explore alternative avenues of income, and one such avenue that has garnered significant attention is the Forex market. Forex trading, or foreign exchange trading, involves the buying and selling of currencies, with the aim of making a profit from the fluctuations in their value. The potential for profit in the Forex market is immense, and for those who are willing to learn and put in the time and effort, it can provide a substantial source of income. But it's not just about the money. The Forex market also offers an opportunity to challenge yourself, to push your boundaries and grow both personally and professionally. It requires motivation and determination, the willingness to take calculated risks, and the tenacity to stick with it, even when things don't go as planned. So, if you're looking for a way to earn more, if you're driven by the desire for financial freedom, and if you're ready to invest in your future, then the Forex market might just be your golden ticket. Let's dive into understanding the Forex market. The journey to financial independence starts now. The desire to earn and the drive for financial freedom is a strong motivating force behind many Forex trading, being one of them. Waking up each day with a hunger profit and the determination to make more informed and strategic decisions, that's the fuel that powers a successful Forex trader. So, ever pondered the art of trading profitably in the Forex market? Well, today's discussion might just enlighten you. The Forex market, while presenting a potentially profitable venture, also comes with its unique set of risks. However, by adhering to certain tips and strategies, you can tip the scales in your favor, making successful trades and maximizing your profits. Foremost, a comprehensive understanding of the Forex market and its operations forms the bedrock of successful trading. This involves the ability to read and interpret currency charts, grasp different trading strategies, and keep a keen eye on market trends and news. A crucial strategy in successful Forex trading lies in having a well-structured trading plan. This plan should encapsulate your trading goals, risk tolerance, and the entry and exit points for each trade. A steadfast commitment to your trading plan, devoid of emotional influence, helps to ward off impulsive trades that could spiral into losses. Equally significant is the practice of proper risk management. This entails risking only a minuscule percentage of your trading capital on each trade and setting stop-loss orders to cap potential losses. Effective risk management not only safeguards your capital, but also prevents the decimation of your account from a single trade. Patience and discipline form the backbone of successful Forex trading. The market is notorious for its volatility and unpredictability, making it imperative to stay calm and avoid letting fear or greed blur your judgment. A disciplined adherence to your trading plan, coupled with patience, can enhance your chances of reaping profitable trades in the long run. In a nutshell, trading profitably in the Forex market requires a blend of knowledge, discipline, and patience. By following these tips and strategies, you can hone your trading skills and increase your chances of success in the Forex market. As we wrap up, we wish you a productive trading journey. Thank you for lending us your time, and remember, happy trading.